Hey CurlyKin, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be trying new products as we do often here. And today is all about Shea Moisture. And if you know me, you know I love Shea Moisture. Like, Shea Moisture is the first products that I tried when I first went natural. And I have been still with them. I try them, their new products when they come out. And this time they came out with a bond repair line. And I'm like, seems like I should try it. As we know, I have dyed my hair several times on this channel, so I could use some help. And then we know the last time that I straightened my hair, I think I straightened it right after I dyed it or something like that. So the front up here is in need of some help. It's struggling. So this new line is a 4-step system, they say, which includes the shampoo, the conditioner, the mask, and the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to use all these products on my hair today to see how well they do my hair. Hopefully it does something for my hair, because as I said, it's in the need of it, and I haven't done any like bond repair stuff in a while. So let's see what it can do. First things first, on my channel we know that I always condition first, because I feel like it's not good to go into shampooing when your hair is detangled. I feel like it's just gonna make a even more tangled mess. So I'm gonna condition first, even though I feel like it's supposed to be shampoo, condition, then deep condition, but I'm gonna condition first, and it is gonna be the Shea Moisture Amla Oil Bond Repair Conditioner with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion, 13 ounces. It's a 4-step system that rebuilds broken hair bonds and achieves 6 times stronger hair. It's made with fair trade shea butter. I think all Shea Moisture products are. It is formulated with no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum. It's cruelty free. 3 main ingredients, which is Amla oil. It's a hydroplex. I think that's their own bond repair system, and it got an amino acid blend. And the Amla is supposed to moisturize and nourish your hair. The hydroplex, it helps rebuild internal hair strength, and the amino acid blend helps fortify, protect, and replenish strands. Okay, sounds good. And it said it's scientifically proven for 80% less breakage, which is nice. And let's just see how well this goes. So as you can see by my hair, it's already wet. Okay, I sectioned my hair off, and I was feeling my hair, and I'm not gonna lie to you, my hair feels bad, and I think it's because of the last products that I used. I think they were kind of drying or something, I don't know. So hopefully these products come through and make my hair feel better, because right now, okay. And okay, this is the conditioner and the consistency of it. And as you know, I have been liking Shea Moisture products for a while, and one of my favorite things about Shea Moisture is their conditioners, because they help me to detangle so easily. And it smells, I don't know what that smell is, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells really good. I like it. Okay, so applying it to the hair. My hair does feel better after putting it on, so that's a plus. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, just so I can know that my hair is fully coated with the product. And I'm gonna detangle, even though really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to detangle my hair and add the conditioner. Then I'll come back when it's time to try the shampoo. rinsing out the conditioner, and I must say my hair feels 10 times better than it did before I put the conditioner in. So yeah, it's really, really soft. I like it. I like it. Conditioner, I like it so far. Okay, now it's time for the shampoo. It says basically all the same things. It helps repair signs of damage, specifically in curly coily hair. Transform your damaged brittle hair with this shampoo to reveal shiny, renewed curls with 60% more moisture. That's what it looks like. It's kind of thick. And I like Shea Moisture shampoos. Like, I use those faithfully. So I feel like it won't be no surprise about this shampoo. I feel like I'll like this one as well, hopefully. But so far so good. The lather is nice. Okay, so I have rinsed out the shampoo, and I shampooed twice, and my curls are looking pretty good. Even in the front where, you know, there's not much curl. There are little curls coming in, so I like it. My hair doesn't feel hard. It does feel cleansed. So, yeah. But now it's time for the deep conditioner, and I'm most excited about this because I say this about all Shea Moisture products apparently, but I love their deep conditioners, like the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the Intensive Hydration, like, oh, even the, what is it? Manuka Honey and Yogurt, the Power Greens deep conditioner. Like, I like most of their deep conditioners. The ones that I've tried, I like them. So, I'm ready to try this one and see what it does for my hair. It says all the same things. It is 11 ounces. It basically says the same thing as the conditioner, but it says that it's supposed to give you ultra moisture, whatever that means. Whatever it is, I'm here for it because I love moisture in my hair. We all do. So let's see about the deep conditioner. And as I guessed, it is very thick. We all know Shea Moisture does very thick deep conditioners, and I am a fan of a very thick deep conditioner. I feel like my hair needs slash loves thick deep conditioner, so I'm here for it. So I'm going to section off my hair and apply the deep conditioner, and then and they say you only need to leave it in for 5 minutes, which is not bad at all. Okay, I'm back, and this is what my hair is looking like after the deep conditioner, and I let it sit on for a little bit over than 5 minutes, probably like 6 or 7 or 8, who knows, who's counting. But my hair feels really, really good, like really, really good. I like it. So now last and final product is the leave-in conditioner. It is the Amla Amla Oil Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion. Fortifies hair bonds for 84% less breakage. Has the same 3 main ingredients. It says the same thing as the other ones, but this is 12 times more moisture with 24-hour frizz control, and we love that. So I'm going to section off my hair and then apply the leave-in conditioner. Then I can come back and tell you guys how I feel about each product, because there's really no need to wait. I can just come and tell you guys now, because everything was a wash day product, and after I apply the leave-in conditioner, wash day will be done. The consistency of it is like thick, whipped, and creamy, and I like that. Like I said earlier, we love big products over here for our hair, and it smells just like the rest of the line. All of the lines smell the same. I'm guessing it smells like Amla. I never smelled Amla before, but I'm guessing that is what the smell is. The leave-in conditioner all over my hair, so now it's time to talk about the products, and I'm gonna start off with the shampoo. The shampoo, I feel like I said, I like all of Shea Moisture shampoos. They cleanse my hair really well. They also are, they feel very nice on my hair, but this one, it was a little different, because since it's a bond repair type of thing, it made my hair feel like really strengthened. And it's okay, but I feel like I will only use this when I need it, instead of using it all the time like I use the others. So yeah, still love it though. Will continue to use it. And what do I rate it? I'd say a 9 out of 10. I like it, and I will continue to use it. As for the next one, is the conditioner. I love the conditioner. Can easily detangle with the conditioner. My hair felt amazing after the conditioner. So smells good. Like, it's a 10 out of 10. Shea Moisture never misses with their conditioners. Like, conditioners always amazing. The bond repair mask. It is pretty good. I like the fact that you don't have to leave it on for long, because since I started working, like, I do not really have time to do my hair after I leave work, because I get home at like 7 o'clock and I be ready to get in bed. So I like that the whole wash day does not last long. Like, I can be done like applying products in like an hour, which is amazing. So I love that. So I like the fact that I can leave this on for not that long of a time. And I also love the moisture that this applies. My hair was so soft afterwards, so I love that. And the leave-in conditioner, putting this on my hair felt even softer. I don't know how it upped the softness, but it did, and I like it. I don't know how this would work in like other situations, as in like a wash and go or a style or anything, using it with other products, because I haven't tried that. I will update you guys in the comment section below, so you guys will know like what happened with my hair. But as for right now, I love the leave-in conditioner as well. Oh, I give the deep conditioner a 10 out of 10. And I also give the leave-in conditioner, I said 8, because I don't know how it pairs well with other products right now. But as for right now, my hair is soft and it feels really good. So, and a little goes a long way. So 8 out of 10. Like, I want to try it and see what it does for my hair, but I never got to try it. So I'm really happy that Shea Moisture came out with products that have Amla in it, so I can try it like that and see if I want to, indulge more. But so far, so good. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.